So let's pivot into psychology then. So we've touched a little bit on the science there. And before we pivot into the psychology, I just want to honor that over the last 8 years in the science area, that you have really built wealth for yourself. You have built systems to support you and your family. You have basically, you had a realization that you had completely decluttered your house. Now, I know you have other coaches in place for that. You're a coach we've both worked with and also a declutter coach, because you're really committed to this whole process and know that you need, and I think you're just humble enough to know you need help, and also you have the resources and you choose the people who you can be resourced by and that are within your means. So I want to really honor that on the science end of business, you have created wealth, clarity, and just tidiness around yourself. What was it you said to me the other week about your attic?
Yeah, that was amazing. I just had a realization. I think I texted you and I was like, I think I'm done. I think I finished.
How many
The
years?
all the time that we've
All the
been
years.
working together, right? And before that, it was a very interesting feeling to realize that that tipping point had been reached. Yeah, it was kind of amazing.
And I also came round, this is another little element of my coaching is with SFC coaching, is that I actually came round and did a wardrobe beautification program with you as well, didn't I? That's
Yeah.
not for general consumption yet. I've done it for 2 people and it's life-changing, absolutely brilliant. What was that like? We did go over time a little bit. That's very much, but that was part of the kind of process of me learning how to better do it. But how was that for you?
It was brilliant, and I think that I think I told you this, but for the very first time in my life, I did a proper seasonal flip of my wardrobe
Oh.
this spring because I could, because of the wardrobe edit that we did, and it was very straightforward. And also, I think the last clothes swap I didn't have anything of my own to take. It was all my husband's and my daughter's items because of that wardrobe edit that we had done.
But how many bags came out of that wardrobe edit?
It was huge. It was huge. Yeah, the clothes swap before that
Yeah.
was a lot of bags for the clothes swap and also bags for the rubbish.
I want
Yeah,
to say thank you very much. Yeah, we bagged up stuff for the rubbish as well, didn't we? And that's quite
yeah,
brave. I think throwing clothes away is quite brave of people. But yeah, you can't take horrible clothes, not horrible, but like nasty clothes
yeah.
to a swap. Yeah, thank you for letting me do that with you. It was such a great experience, and it's something I will be adding into my portfolio of things in the future. But right now, I'm not in, to coin a phrase, a lean in mode. I'm in a lean out mode right now.
No, well,
Um,
thank you for coming and doing it with me
oh, no,
because it was fun. We had a lot of fun, but it was also like it was
work,
work.
work,
Yeah.
physical work.
Yeah, it was physical work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's also, I don't know, I think sometimes you just need another person to help you break the back of something like that. And you do it once. And that's the thing I ask is like, is it sustainable? Was it sustainable for you?
Yes, absolutely. And that's why I said I could do that seasonal swap so easily for the first time ever.
This reminds me of all coaching, actually. It's like you do this thing, but then it has a knock-on effect over here, but then it creates something else over here, and then things become more sustainable if you're kind of in it. So we've
Yes.
pivoted. I wanted to pivot into psychology there, but one of the things I'm becoming more and more authentic about now is the fact that I have ADHD. Was pinging off just before we came on the phone together. Sarah's very supportive of this. And so I need to take a breath and slow down a bit. But as soon as I say, let's pivot, a thought goes, and you've forgotten this thing. But it also doesn't mean, I'm very interested to know how people with different neurodiversities and neurodivergence and neurotypical people also are able to really lean into their skills for success now. And I'm doing that and I love it so much.